Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for people that have software. Maybe you've upgraded to Windows 10 and you have a piece of software you'd like to install and it doesn't work. What to do? Okay, what can you try to have it working? So first of all, ask yourself on what operating system the app or the program worked. Did it work on Windows 7? Then, if it did on Windows 7, I'd say there's about an 80% chance that it works on Windows 10. But there is kind of a 20%, app that might not, actually. Did it work on Windows 8? If it did, that's giving you an even better chance. Windows 8 apps and programs, that ups to probably 90% the chances it works on Windows 10. But once again, it's not a 100% thing, and it's possible that some apps don't work due to some types of restrictions. One thing you can try, if the app installs, because if the app doesn't install, you're kind of stuck and there's not a lot you can do to really have it working. But if the app did install, if your program installed, you got the icon on your desktop maybe, one thing that you can try, right-click your icon on your desktop. Click Properties. You can do the same thing in the Start menu, by the way. And once you go there, you can actually go to Compatibility. And here, first thing that you can try is make it run as an administrator. So you put a little check mark in, run this program as an admin. It's surprising the number of apps that can't work because newer restrictions and new features on Windows 10 are actually keeping the system secure by preventing files from being written at specific areas. By giving admin rights, you're actually giving the permission for the files to be written there. So that's one thing that you should try. The other thing you can try is at the top it says compatibility mode. Try to put a check mark and try to a different mode. So if it worked on Windows 7, for example, put the check mark, choose Windows 7. Make sure you're an admin. Put those both together. Click Apply, click OK, and try the piece of software. Does it work? If it does, cool. If it doesn't, unfortunately, when you're at this moment, you're kind of out of luck. You can click Run Compatibility Troubleshooter here. It will give you kind of a report of maybe if it works or doesn't work or why it might not work. But this is what you can try to have a piece of software working. And you got to understand one thing. There's a big possibility. There's a big possibility that something that it won't work. And unfortunately, there's not that many pieces of software that don't. But when you do, unfortunately, you might need the latest version. You might need to purchase a new version of that software. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.